Sixth class in today's English lecture, page number 45 and lesson number 6. Today our topic is the grammar part. Okay, before discussing the grammar part, we should discuss our previous lecture. We should memorize the things and the concept that we have read in the previous lecture. First of all, we read about the word families. Now, what is a word family? A word family is a combination of the some words that are giving the same sound. Like we found the some words that are creating the same sense, like trash and the rubbish, and then feast a huge meal. Both are giving the same sense. In the same sense we can use them. And then we discussed about the phrases. You know very well, the phrases are the group of the words. They haven't their subject or the predicate. They're just a part of a sentence, and we can use them in a sentence for making a sentence. For example, some phrases are there, like out of breath, a golden crown went his way. How can we use them in a sentences? Like take the example of out of breath. The old man is now out of breath due to the long walk. In this way we can use them in a proper way. And then our next part is about the homonyms. Students, homonyms are the words with the same spelling and pronunciation, but their meanings are different. Like take the example of the right and right. First right mean is correct and the second right mean is due. It means the first right we can use in the sense of correct, and the second one in the sense of hug. Now let's come. Okay, sixth class, now let's discuss our today's topic. Our today's topic is about the articles and the determiners. First of all, we will study about the articles. Articles are the part of the speech, and they are used to indicate the presence of the noun. It means they tell us about the noun, that in how manner they are working in a sentence. There are some articles, like first one is a, then an, and the last one is the. They are called the articles, and they are used before the nouns because they are indicating the presence of the noun. They are telling about the presence of the noun. That's why they are used before a noun. And a and an denote one. It means they are the specialized, and in special cases they are uses. A is used before the consonant letters, like that the words that are starting from the consonant letters, like a bag, a fan, a chair, a table, a class, and such type of the words. Other words are starting from the consonant letters. That's why we will write before them the article a. And then comes an. Okay, an is used before the vowel letters, like a, e, I, o, and u. Before them we use them article an. Okay, sixth class, sometimes it happens that some words are not starting with the vowel letters, these vowel letters, but they are giving the sound like the vowel letters, and we also write before them an, the article an. Like an elephant, it is starting with the vowel letter, definitely we will write here an. But an honest person is not starting with the vowel letter. Why are we writing here and? Because h is silent here, and it is giving the sound like the vowel letters. An honest person, that's why we have written here the article an. And then take another example, an honorable staff. Why have I written here and before the honorable? Because h is silent here, and it is creating the sound like the vowel letter, honorable staff. That's why we have written here and. Then sixth class, our last article is about the article. The article is a definite article. Definite means specified with nouns and limited. It means we can use this article just with the proper nouns. Proper noun के साथ इन्हें use कर सकते हैं. Which is only one of its kind, like the Lahore Fort. It is only one its kind. The Bashahi Mosque. It is just one in the all over the world. दुनिया में बस एक ही बादशाही मॉस्क है. And then the river Indus. It is just one in its kind in the whole of the world. That's why before them we write the. Okay students, before the name of the person we don't write the, like if we are thinking that it is used with a proper noun, the name of any person is also a proper, but this is the rule. Before the name of any person we can't write the, like we cannot write the Ali. It will be incorrect. The, we will just write Ali. And before the noun of the country's name, like the Pakistan, it also will be wrong. We can write the Pakistani team when we are indicating any noun with the. जब हम किसी noun को specify कर रहे हैं किसी country के साथ, then we can write the Pakistani team. So students, a article is used before the consonant letters. Consonant letters से पहले use किए जाते हैं. And is used before the vowel letters, and the words that are creating or the giving the sound like the vowel letters, like an honest person, we use before them. And the is used before the proper nouns. Proper nouns से पहले use किए जाते हैं. And the important thing, before the name of any person we don't write the. Now let's discuss our next topic. Our next topic is about the determiners. Students, determiners are the some words that are called adjective and the modifiers that limits a noun, that qualify the noun. Some commonly used determiners are as follows, like some, many, few, any, either, neither, a lot of, little, each, every, much, a few. Now we will discuss these determiners in detail with the examples. Now 6th class, here I have some examples to make you understand in a proper way. We will discuss the determiners in detail. Our first determiner is some. Some we can use in the negative or the positive sense when people and some people are working in a sentence. We use the some determiner, like some students are working, and some determiner carries the plural verb with it. And then our next determiner is many. Many, this is also we can use with the negative and the positive sense. And when the many people, some people are working in the sentence, we say that many. It is used in the plural sense. Many people are protesting, and many also carries the plural helping verb with it. Then our third determiner is about any. Any is used for more than three things or the persons. It means when the three things or the more than three persons or things are working or not working in the sentence, we use any. Like see the example, you can take any of these 4 books. It means we are using 4 books, मतलब इन books में से कोई books ले सकते हो. There we use any determiner. Okay, next our determiner is about the few. It can be used in negative and the positive sense. In the sentences we can assess that how can we use it in negative and the positive sense. For example, check the sentences. Few. Few means कुछ ना होने के बराबर. I have few means of earning. Few means मतलब कुछ ना होने के बराबर, जब आपके पास कुछ भी नहीं होता, बस थोड़ी सी मिकदार में कोई चीज़ हो, that is. And a few, कुछ हो पर ज़्यादा नहीं. I have a few resources for earning hardly to live. And then the last one, the few, it means मिकदार में जब ठीक हो, and any person can rely them. I have the few means of earning. It means we can easily manage. So students, we can separate the few into three parts: few, the very negative sense, a few, a little bit negative sense, and the few in the positive sense. And sixth class either, this is also the determiner. We can use it when the two subjects are working in the sentence. It means when the two subject or the nouns are working in a sentence, either pair is the or, like either he or his brother is naughty. It means उसका भाई और वो काम कर रहे हैं सेंटेंस में, either pair is or, and they are working in a positive sense. And either second pronoun decides the helping verb in a sentence, like according to his, we have written here is. Sixth class same as like the either, the neither and nor is pair, and neither we use in the negative sense. When the two subjects are not working in the sentence, we use neither and nor, like check the sentence, neither Ali nor I am foolish. And neither second pronoun also decides about the helping verb. So here the second pronoun is I, that's why I have written here am. Next comes little determiner. Same as the few, we can use it in the negative and the positive sense. It is used for the uncountable objects, like if we say that there is a little water in the glass, it means ना होने के बराबर. If we say that there is a little water in the glass, it means कुछ पानी है गिलास में. And if we say that there is the little water in the glass or in the jug, it means कि अच्छी मिकदार में पानी मौजूद है. And water that we cannot. Now sixth class, move to our last part about the each and every. They are also the determiners. Okay, each and every determiners we also use for the more than three things or the objects, like when the one person is working from the whole class, you can say 5, 3 or the 7 persons, we use each and the every. Like each student is present in the class means class में से each student, हर एक student है वो present है. And each determiner carries a singular verb with it, such as every. Like every boy is playing means boys में से हर एक जो लड़का है वो खेल रहा है. And every also carry the singular verb with it. Okay, now sixth class you have to practice about the articles and the determiners, that how can we use the articles with the proper nouns and the common nouns, and what is a definite or indefinite article. And after them you have to practice about the determiners, that how many determiners are there and what are their rules, which I have told you. By using the determiners you can make the proper sentences, and in the next exercises we will discuss them by solving the exercises. Till then, Allah Hafiz.